Alright, y'all, welcome back to the Domino 7 show, okay? I mean, this is not an exciting episode of the Domino 7 show. I don't know why, but not time for the final thought, okay? Alright, so anyway, I want to let y'all know something. What is your New Year's resolution? My New Year's resolution is to take care of this house. Hopefully, I'll buy a new house, a brand new, spanking new house, not here in New Orleans, but in Jefferson Parish, like Metairie or somewhere, So, I mean, life is good, I mean, sometimes you gotta take care of life as best as you can, okay? Live your life as best as you can, So, the way I think about it, I love my life, I love my life every shape or form, even though I lose a woman, get rejected and stuff like that. So some people say new year, new me, but obviously there's not a new year or a new you. It's a new year, same you, Some people be like, they throwing out boyfriend, girlfriend, Section 8 stuff, rent homes, and bringing husband, wife, a two-parent household or whatever. But technically, the same thing will happen in the future, Things don't change overnight. Just because it's a new year doesn't mean things gonna change in your favor. Things will change in your favor when you pray for it to change in your favor. Just because it's a new year, it doesn't mean that there's going to be a better year or worse year or whatever, So, anyway, thank y'all for watching the Domino 7 show, boring New Year's Eve bash. And like Bob Barker said, help control the pet population. Have y'all pets spayed and neutered. Alright, thank y'all for watching the Domino 7 show, okay? Bye-bye.